What's going on? I'm the JakeOfALL, and I'm back at the workbench. I know, we'll get to the video. In fact, I'm going to ask you on that one. But first, while I've got your attention, go ahead. You're going to love the video. Give me a like, okay? Make sure you're subscribed, all that good stuff. We're actually about like 200 away or something like that, or 700, I don't know. I'm bad with math. From hitting 40,000, so I'd appreciate any subscribing. That would be awesome. Okay. We've been busy. You guys did see the rack. You saw it all set up, but even better now, and that's some of the noise going on, the big boy, the Prusa XL, is in the corner. It is running. In fact, we're even printing a full-size Jonah Pope design. And you can see how big that printer is. It's pretty cool. This is going to be for the M18 router. We've got a camera in the corner that's monitoring it. We can see what's on the screen. Plenty of room for Mandalorian helmets or
stormtroopers.
You know, stuff for actual jobs. But let's get back to stuff. Okay, so the Prusa XL is going to allow us to really just, one, if we do any Jonah Pope designs, they usually look something like this when we ship them. It's two pieces. You put them in the PACKOUT, it looks like one, all is well. But when we did the washout grates, I had to design them and then split them in half. And I've had a couple other designs I've had to split in half because they just won't fit on standard size printers. And while we like the new bamboos, we like the Prusa Mark 3s, the XL just allows us to create more stuff. Speaking of creating more stuff, we got some new stuff in. Jen's going to hand me from Klein. So check this out, the mod box. And yes, I know, I'd love to hear your comments below on what you think about the Klein Milwaukee lawsuit. Somebody's in trouble. We like the mod box. We've been playing with it for a while, but we got some new stuff. We've got some of these new organizers that they have. And these things, these are pretty cool. I swear I love one-handed designs. But I'm absolutely going to outfit a couple of these Klein mod boxes for some of the Klein tools. I've got one of the thermal cameras. I've got their wire tracer. And being able to print this all in one piece, can't do that on a printer when that's the size that you can print. So a lot of really cool new things going. I'm glad that we can work on new designs. I've been busy working on new designs. Put this away. What's that?
This one, right here.
No.
What? You said new stuff. Don't tell me to bring you all the new stuff if you don't want to.
We're not talking about that.
I just work here sometimes.
You know, I wouldn't want to shoot the pony on that one. Or whatever the expression is. Okay, so yes, we're working on some new designs. Working on new designs for PACKOUT. We're going to be working on the designs for the mod box. I also wanted to go on something else. So in the idea of new designs, every once in a while when we've got some really cool filament on the printer, we like to make some cooler ideas. And if you look at this one, this has multicolor. And we thought, what better way to do these multicolors? You want to... So we're going to do some special editions because we've got a lot of these red helix bit sets. We have spade bit sets. We've got just a variety of bit sets that it's just time to sort of liquidate. And they'll be on sale. They're not going to be insane, but you're going to get a bin with it as well. So it's going to have the 3D printed bin, the holders. You're going to be able to outfit this. It's going to look cool. Obviously, it'll be bigger than that, but this is for reference. Speaking of sale, we've been posting on Instagram. We've been sort of busy updating the site, and we found some older stuff sitting around. Nothing wrong with it, but we got a couple of these mugs. These things are like 40% off. We have these M18 tool holders, and they're printed in PLA, and we just don't do them anymore. We do a lot of the neat tool stuff and whatever. These are like 40% off. A bunch of stealth mount tool holders and the blocks that they come with. We've got all of these on sale. We even have a bunch of these right angle adapters. These things are like $20 to $25 online, and I think with the 40% off, they're like 12 or 15 bucks. So you're going to get a steal. It's going to be a great price, and it's going to help us out.
You won't see the discount till it's in your cart.
Oh, thank you, Jen. Yes, I sounded way too commercial on that. Thank you, Jen. But yes, when you add it to your cart, you're going to see the discount. But we also, you know, we're not always about selling our own stuff. And, you know, here at JakeOfALL, we like to show off other people's cool stuff. And this is where you guys can help collaborate and listen, right? So I want you to hop in the comments. In fact, there's actually an option on YouTube that we don't use a lot, but I would hope you guys try both. I want you to go in the comment when you're done with this, right, session, this section of the video. Immediately start commenting. I want to hear what you guys want to show off. So, integral truck. We've got some cool truck bed brackets. And these typically line up with your anchor points in your truck. Not a spoiler, but a bonus to you guys. If somebody is in Central Florida or wants to come to the Tarpon area, I will absolutely install one of these in your truck, and you can keep it if you let me film the content. So hit me up, comment.
Or hear me out. You could just buy me a Raptor.
I can buy you. Okay, I'll buy you a Raptor. if the
This might be quicker though.
What's the sale that we're doing? Labor Day? If the Labor sale does so well, I'll just buy it with cash. Kidding. Yeah, right. If we can buy a Raptor after a Labor Day sale, we're going to need a bigger print farm.
Yeah, I'll settle for a Ranger.
Oh, a Ford Mother and Ranger? Okay. So, integral truck, yeah, we've shown this stuff. We did the cooler on the front porch for the Amazon drivers. That's locking. He's got a whole bunch of different options out. He did rails. That he also known as Alpha Engineering. But so we've got this. So we're going to have this is option 1. And you'll see in the comments just say integral truck, or you're going to say Stack Smarter. So Stack Smarter has new rail clamps out. You don't have to take the rails off anymore. You can slide it around to the rail like that and put it on. Okay? So I got a whole box of Stack Smarter stuff that I want to show off. But this one accessory is going to allow you to use E-Track related brackets on your PACKOUT, which you can see here. We've got some ring attachments. They have ratchet straps. You can strap your stuff down. You name it, you can do a bunch of stuff. Okay, so we got integral truck. Now we got Stack Smarter. And then if you look above me, we got a neat, here, let me show you. Let me show you. You can see here, we've got the, what is that?
That's on you. That's
I didn't do that. So Neat has bins for the small drawers. Now, the thin drawer that's in either this 3 or the 4 setup. And these are really nice the way they fit in there. And so we're going to do a video on all of this stuff, but we want to know what you guys want to see next. So a big Friday video, longer content, longer form. It's good.
Get that workbench top.
And yes, the workbench top, you guys did put in the comments that a couple of you'd like to see it. I will literally take it apart and we'll build it on camera. And spoiler, I always use a bracket like this, some kind of bracket to make it easier so that I can get a template.
We can cover that later.
But
Can you,
yes.
There's that gray thing right there you haven't touched.
Yes, we're going to talk, we got the giveaway. Almost followed directions perfectly. Chris Willard. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for following most of the directions. But we were hoping that you were just going to get home one day and there'd be this cool 10-spot tools. If you guys didn't know, we sell 10-spot tools at shop.jakeofall.com. Shameless plug. Thank you. Moving on. We were hoping that you would just get this in the mail, but you didn't fill out your complete address. But we have your email. We're going to shoot you a message. And if you don't respond in a week, we're going to put it up in one of those big mega giveaways. So make sure you check your email, Chris, and the rest of you. When you guys fill out the Google form that she puts in the description, make sure you give us all of your information, because this is for us to let you know about winning. And you, by signing up, you also agree to get our new video email. But other than
You'll be getting an email from orders at JakeOfALL.
Yes.
If you did win. So you will have gotten a shipping confirmation from us if you did win something. And if you didn't get it, then I guess in a couple of days you're going to get a box in the mail from us.
Okay. So what she was saying, because you may not hear because she's not mic'd and she forgets that we have to turn off the audio channel, is that you're going to get an email from orders at JakeOfALL with your shipping confirmation, basically, if you won. Obviously, you'll get something in the mail too. So,
Well, I think we got that.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, we added rigid.
Oh, we did. So we just, went to Home Depot, spent some of the good hard-earned monies. We bought a rigid box. So now I have an anti-theft case for all of my Milwaukee tools on the job site. But it is added out to the pile. We work with Stack Smarter. He's got those brackets. So we're going to get another Stack Smarter bracket to mount the rigid case. So super cool. Amazon driver using the PACKOUT cooler right now to drop off a package and get some hydration and maybe some tasty snacks. But that's it. Yeah, the new Prusa is running. I hope to just keep new designs coming, but also we print the Jonah Pope stuff. We do 10-spot tools. And hopefully with your guys' help, I don't know why I'm holding this one, you're going to comment whether you want this Stack Smarter neat, the top, below. Also check the community tab on YouTube where we're going to have a poll. And honestly, between the two, whoever gets the most votes is the next video. And yeah, I mean, that's it. I'm the JakeOfALL.
But if they have any other suggestions, drop them.
Any suggestions, drop it below. We definitely appreciate it. And again, we're looking for somebody in Florida that's willing to drive to us. You're going to get some brackets for your truck. Look at this, even E-Track related stuff there. Everyone's jumping on E-Track. I'm going to jump on the, it's late night, it's Thursday, and I need to publish this video for Friday, and I want to have a little, you know, quality time. So I'm going to head out. Hopefully it's not a long video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And I'd appreciate the follow, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm the JakeOfALL. Okay, I just realized I forgot. So look, if you got here A, B, and C, okay, these are Misfit prints, and they're back. And there's a lot of cool stuff. This one's got a brush rack, big, huge sand-out bins, pack-out feet, tool holders, you name it. Another big one full of pack-out feet. This one has a Jonah Pope low-profile insert, okay? And all of these are shipping included to the United States. This one has a Jonah Pope insert too. This one's A, we got B, we got C. Sorry for throwing this at the end, but there's only 3 available. We might have 1 more available in the upcoming weeks or months, so make sure you always...
Mostly PLA.
I mean, the next one, the D, that's going to be available will be mostly PLA. So as long as you're not putting in the hot sun, it's fine. But yeah, you can definitely check these out at shop.jakeofall.com. It's A, B, and C. There's only 1 of each available. Once it's sold, it's gone. Thanks, and yeah, pack out.